Good morning students. In last video we had discussed about the computer system and convergence of technology. In this video we are going to discuss about communication technology. Communication technology are those technologies that add in fast, speedy and the secure communication among people from any part of the world. Communication technology, also known as information technology, refers to all equipment and programs that are used to process and communicate information. Professionally in the communication technology field, specialized in the development, installation and service of these hardware and software systems. Some common and popular communication technologies are: first of email. Email it refers to a message sent from one computer to another over the internet or other communication technology. Electronic mail is a method of exchanging messages between people using electronic devices. Email entered limited use in 1960s, but users could only send to the user of the same computer. And some early email system required the author and the recipient to both be online simultaneously, similar to instant messaging. Ray Tomlinson is credited as the inventor of email. In 1971, he developed the first system able to send mail between users on different hosts across the ARPANET, using the @ sign to link the user name with the destination server. By mid-1970s, this was the form recognized as email. The next one is SMS. With SMS, you can send a message of up to 160 characters to another device. Longer message will automatically be split into several parts. SMS is a text messaging service component of most telephone, internet and mobile device system. It uses a standardized protocol to enable mobile devices to exchange short messages. An intermediary service can facilitate text to voice conversion to be sent to landline. SMS was most widely used data application at the end of 2010 with an estimated 3.5 billion active users, or about 80% of all mobile subscribers. SMS as used on modern devices originated from the radio telegraphy. In radio memo pager that used a standardized phone protocol. These were defined in 1985 as a part of global system for mobile communications series of standards. The first SMS message was sent in 1992. The next thing is video conferencing and chat services. Video conferencing refers to a live visual communication between two or more people sitting in separate locations over a network. Video conferencing is a technology that allows users in different locations to hold face-to-face meeting without having to move to a single location together. This technology is particularly convenient for the business user in different cities or even different countries because it saves time, expenses and hassles associated with the business travel. Use of video conferencing is video conferencing can also be used as a medium for conducting training, with the instructor teaching a remote class from almost anywhere. This can be done in the corporate text, especially for getting workers the knowledge they need to better perform their jobs. A video conference may also be used to conduct a regular meeting with the company staff or to confer with the shareholder about the latest activity at the business. Online chat may refer to any kind of communication over the internet that offers a real-time transmission of text messages from sender to receivers. Chat messages are generally short in order to enable other participants to respond quickly. Thereby a feeling similar to a spoken conversation is created, which distinguishes chatting from other text-based online communication forms such as internet forums and email. Online chat may address point-to-point communication as well as multicast communication from one sender to many receivers, and voice and video chat or maybe be a feature of web conferencing services. Online chat is a less definition may primarily any direct text-based or video-based one-to-one chat or one-to-many group chat. Usually tools such as instant messengers, internet relay chat, talkers, and possibly much. The next thing is blogs and wikis. Blog is an online journal post in reverse chronicle order. A blog is a discussion or informational website published on the World Wide Web, consisting of discrete, often informal diary-style text entries. Posts are typically displayed in reverse chronicle order so that the most recent posts appear first at the top of the web page. Until 2009, the blogs are usually to the work of a single individual, occasionally of a small group, or often covered a single subject or topic. In the 2010s, multi-author blogs emerged, featuring the writing of multiple authors and sometimes professionally edited. And wiki refers to an easily edited set of one or more linked web pages that readers can add to or modify. The next thing is microblogging. Microblogging refers to a combination of blogging and instant messaging that allow users to create short messages to be posted and shared with an audience online. You can take the example of Twitter. Microblogging is an online broadcast medium that exists as a specific form of blogging. A microblog differs from a traditional blog in that its content is typically smaller in both actual and aggregated file size. Microblog allow users to exchange small element of content such as short sentences, individual images, or video links, which may be the major reason for their popularity. These small messages are sometimes called microposts. As with the traditional blogging, microbloggers post about topic ranging from the simple such as what I am doing right now to thematic such as sports car. Commercial microblog also exists to promote websites, services and products and to promote collaboration with an organization. Some microblogging services offer features such as privacy setting, which allow users to control who can read their microblogs or alternative ways of publishing entries beside the web-based interface. The next thing is microblogging. After microblogging is a document and calendar sharing services. These are online tools that allow for the creation and sharing of documents and calendars. You can take an example of Google Docs. So these are some communication technology that we can use to communicate with the other peoples, and that can be used to send some message or information to the others. Now let's discuss about what is computer. A computer is an electronic device that can perform variety of operations according to the set of instructions called programs. Or it can also be said that a computer is an electronic device that can perform a variety of operations in the accordance with a set of instructions called program. You can thought a computer as a combination of hardware and software which transforms some data and information. Let's discuss about what are these terms: hardware, software, data, and information. The first one is the hardware. It refers to a physical part of computer or that ones that you can touch, like a keyboard, monitor, printer, etc. The next one is software. It refers to the instruction or program that tell the computer what to do. To understand the difference between hardware and software, consider a CD, a storing songs or games. The CD which you can touch, it is example of hardware. But can you touch the song game on it? The song game on CD can be thought of software. Without software, the computer will not work. Next one, the data. Data is unprocessed raw facts and figures. As for example, you can take just a few words. Say Ramu 72.5% 2015. These are some data. But when these data are, after processing, these data become meaningful. So these are some collection of the just raw and facts and figures. And next one, the information. It refers to a process data that is meaningful. It means, for example, in the above, earlier some words we had taken like Ramu 72.5% 2015. So the above data can be converted into information as Ramu, who passed in 2015, secured 72.5% marks. So these are some terms that we can use in the computer terminology. So thank you. That's all for today.